is Priti Sharma, and I'm very happy to receive this gift hamper from Chiara. And they have dedicated it to the pink project, Think for Pink by Chiara. Okay, so now I'm gonna open it in front of you as to see what all they have provided in this kit. It's so beautifully packed, and this looks like a trousseau, So it's very chic, and I would rather call it very elite. So that's the right word that's coming to my mind. And I love their this is a thing for pink. Okay, I'm just like nicely keeping it here because I don't want to spoil it. And here, dang dang. Okay, so let's see it here. Wow, this is lovely. Thank you, Chiara. And I can see here, so as we all know that the products are it's been dedicated to the cancer patients, so keeping in mind that their skin would get very dry. So the first product that we have is a body moisturizer, because we all know that the cancer patients goes through a very dry skin. So this is the first product. And okay, this is lovely. This is a lip scrub. So that's something a little new. Not everyone would be using this. So a lip balm as well as a lip scrub. So these are the two products, which is for the lips and the body moisturizer. And I've been told by the Chiara founder that they would be coming up with products for the eyelashes as well as for the eyebrows. So thank you, Chiara. Thank you for this lovely gift hamper, and I love it.